next iPhone series is set to release this September, and it'll include the iPhone 18 Pro and the 18 Pro Max. And the latest leaks are all about their display. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of the latest tech news. According to leak reports, the iPhone 18 Pro and 18 Pro Max will have similar bezels to the current models, but they'll come with a smaller dynamic island. A leaker with a decent track record said on Weibo, the iPhone 18 series retains the same bezel design except for a smaller central island. The overall bezel size remains the same as the iPhone 17 series. Dynamic island is a software area near the cutout at the top of the display. The cutout's made to accommodate the front-facing camera and the apparatus that powers Face ID. Dynamic Island shows extra data when needed in a way that disguises the cutout, so it's hard to spot. It delivers extra information, for example, showing apps like Apple Music running in the background with album art at the edge of the island. To achieve a smaller Dynamic Island, Apple will almost certainly need to shrink the cutout that sits with it. In fact, that's what's really at stake here. If it's named Dynamic Island, its name suggests that it's changeable, so it can still take up bigger parts of the display when needed. But what does that mean for iPhone 18e and iPhone Fold? There are several things when it comes to what the new leak means. For starters, even the dynamic island changes in iPhone 18, which will debut in spring 2027. There's a slim chance it'll be in iPhone 18e as well. More likely, it'll replace the larger cutout on the iPhone 17e with a current-sized dynamic island. Secondly, will the smaller dynamic island come to the much-rumored iPhone Fold? That too remains under wraps for now. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.